welcome back to my channel. That we're making today, we are making meatballs. I told you one of my videos I was going to show you how to make meatballs. Here on my video, my channel, I want to always show you, bring to you steps, guidelines, tips, tricks and hacks on how to get your meals in the kitchen. Easy peasy steps. Alright guys, I'm showing you how to make meatballs the easy peasy way. Simple steps that shows you don't have to break the bank, you don't have to go to the supermarket, super stores to get yourself meatballs. Do it right in your house and enjoy it. Quality, organic taste. Alright, let's see how we do it. So guys, what we have here today, we have our meats. This is typical beef. No bones, beef, because we're going to be shredding this. I have my onions, sazon, like I always say, sazon. Use sazon. We have our ginger, garlic. How many of you uses the ginger, garlic and still use the powder? I don't know. I don't even maybe this word that does it, but just as if the two of them gets it to that peak. We have our spring onions, our Maggi. Then guess what, guys? Guess what is inside this place? Our African mothers. Ice cream cups, so water cups, so we use it to store things. I'm an African mother by the way, so of course, as our mothers taught us, we must follow suit. And our children after us must follow suit. So here in my blue band butter, this is my makeshift case. I have this spice here, mixed curry masala. This is the blend of what I have here. I'm using it in my mix too, and our panos oil. What I have here is our olive oil. Use any oil of your choice, but canola oil, panos oil, chicken oil. But I have my olive oil here today. So guys, let's get right into the proper. And one thing, guys, quick one. This have this food processor, bunge of them all. Could help you pound your yam. Could help you mix, grind anything. Grind it. Can grind butter for you. Do say so myself. Get yourself one of this, and trust me, guys, your journey in the kitchen will be easy peasy. All right, let's see how we do it. So we're going to be shredding to make it minced meat. Go to superstores now. So you want to buy 1 kg of minced meat. You know how much they will tell you. And how much I buy this? The kilo of this meat I bought it for, I think 6.5. So guys, I have gotten this consistency, but I'm going to now mix my ingredients inside to trap all the spices. So I put in my spring onion just to give it a little bit of color and flavor. We're putting our ginger and our garlic. I'm going to be basically mixing all my ingredients inside this processor. Like I say, my sister always directs me on what portion I want you to put. This is my garlic. My onion powder. Onions is life. Thank God that onions price has come down now. It used to be the new gold, but now it's now really dropped. So you can afford to buy onions now. Now our sazon, but a little bit of it. And this is our spice I just showed you. This spice, this is it here. Just a little bit of it. Now I'm a queen of spices. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of oil to that. Seasoning cubes. So guys, our pounded meat is ready. Our food processor has done justice to it. As a baby girl, I do my nails to get sticky icky. So no waste zone here, like I always say. Look at that, guys. So this is the ishon, the tendon that does not shred. This is going to be separated from the minced meat. So guys, look at it. See, easy peasy. So now, stay with me, guys. If you want to know how I make it into a balls, I say to a balls. I say it will be for me. It is not for me. No be for me. Igbo is not my language, not my food. So pardon me for the tabon. Anyway, guys, If you want to see how I get it into the balls, this is meat. It's about to be balls now, meat balls. So you want to know how I get into balls? Stick with me. But before you do that, like, share, subscribe, and put on, most importantly, put on your post notification bell. So when I post the next video, you will be the first to know. If you snooze, you lose. Alright guys, so I'll put this in here. That's it. So guys, what makes it meatballs? Secrecy is eggs. Simple eggs gets it to form together. So breaking this now. Okay, I'm gonna put. Remember that I have mixed all ingredients inside this my pounded meat, so I'm not going to be adding anything inside my eggs just to coat it. So guys, I'm going to be putting a little bit of onion powder in the eggs, just a little bit of it, and we'll whisk again. So guys, I'm going to be greasing my hand so that it doesn't stick on my palm. That so depends on the portion you want it to be. Want to be big or small, but it's best to do it small. You say meatballs, all shape, friendly, easy mouth, chopping, smacking, eating meatballs. Not too big, not too small. See that, guys? See that? Look at that. So guys, we're going to touch it. Touch, 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 and touch. That's it. On to the next one. You see, no meat on my hand, no residue on my hand because I've oiled it, so it's not going to stick. You know what, guys? Let's make it fast so that I later put the eggs around it. So guys, I have rolled my meat into balls, so I'm going to be dumping it in my egg wash. This is just to give it that binding. This is ready. Give the oil a good taste. One will do. Guys, let us go into the frying. Mali reduce your FPM. So guys, it's about to get ready. Our meatballs is on low heat. I want the inside of the meat to get done. You don't want food poisoning. You have to be careful. They're already getting firm. This oil could equally be used for fried rice or pasta. Quite heavenly, the oil of this meatball. And I'm going to use it to make pasta. I used to eat soft white boiled yam. Check it out, guys. This ball is almost ready. You could snack on it too if you want. You make your meatball stew, meatball pasta. Ready as in ready. So I'm putting it here for the oil to be drained. So put this in your freezer or whenever you have a meal to prepare. You don't buy processed meatballs. You already have it in your kitchen. Like I tell you, my channel here is to entertain, educate, inspire you, and bring recipes to your doorstep. Easy, step-to-step guidelines of how to make that homemade juicy meal. So guys, our meatballs is ready. This is a snack you can eat in your house, or you can put in your freezer for everyday delicacy. You want to eat your indomie, you want to make your meatball stew, you want to make your meatball pasta, you want to just make your meatball anything. This is where you go about it. I told you I was going to bring you content back to 2025, no good for anybody. So guys, if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe, and definitely I'ma see you in my next video. Bon appetit.